Hey Barai, thanks for inquiring about silver colored watches. Here are our top 3 recommendations for you. First up, we have the Cerruti Black Dial Watch. An elegant timepiece from Cerruti's Passaro collection operates on a quartz movement and is protected by mineral crystal glass. It features a black round dial encased in a stainless steel case, which enhances its durability and look. A stainless steel strap with a jewelry clasp ensures a nice grip on the wrist, while its 100-meter water resistance saves the watch from splashes. Next up, we have the Seiko 5 Sports Watch. With a Japanese automatic movement for reliability, a silver stainless steel case, and a champagne-colored round dial, this watch from Seiko's 5 Sports collection ensures fashion and functionality. It features water resistance of 100 meters, hardlex glass for protection, glowing markers and hands for nighttime vision, and an anti-magnetic feature which ensures a reliable timekeeping experience. Last, we have the Klein Impact Watch, a multifunction watch with a white dial encased in a silver stainless steel case and a silver stainless steel strap, exudes premium aesthetics. It operates on a quartz movement and has water resistance of up to 30 meters, which ensures the reliability of the watch. A deployment clasp helps to keep the watch secure on your wrist. Let us know in the comments below what you would like us to cover next.